sunshine. This is our hotel room in Tokyo. Super tiny. And last night, Preston sleep on the ground. Charlotte and I sleep on the bed. And she did so well, right? Didn't cry during the night feed. Straight go back to bed. It's 9:30. This is what it's like to bring a baby with us.
Not bad.
Doesn't go out until 9:30. What are you doing? We're at Ueno Park. And Preston loved this place because tons of people playing Pokemon Go.
Everyone is playing here.
He catch a pretty good one yet last night. What's the call?
Kyogre. And there's another one coming in 44 minutes.
Oh, and Charlotte is sleeping. Pretty cloudy today, huh?
Yeah, it feels
good
really
weather.
nice. Way better than yesterday.
Yeah, and this park's supposed to have Ueno Zoo, which is the oldest zoo in Japan.
It's got pandas.
Yeah, got pandas. Person hasn't seen panda. Maybe we can go today.
No, it's okay. Next time we come and it's not so hot.
Left hand first, and then right hand. So many stairs. Wow. And you overlook the whole park. Oh, baby, look. This is the station. Which one? Oh yeah. Use the handsome way to drink it.
What?
Like, you know, all the commercial? Like, glue, 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 and then...
Inside there. Let's
We can go.
Yeah, let's go.
That's so cute. I thought chopsticks. Oh, this is cute. Bento? Can I have two? Yeah.
160. Oi.
Thank you.
いいよ。ピジョン5パックオーダービッグランタン。
These two.
2。レンさん
Oh, sorry.
レンさんこれいい？
Uh-huh.
No eating.
Oh, okay,
1, 2,
okay.
3.
Okay. Got this too. But he said no eating on the street.
Okay.
So we can't have to go outside the street. Can you get the mochi ball?
What?
Yeah.
400.
Here. Thank you.
Please eat only here.
Okay. We have to eat only here.
I know.
Wow. It's still warm. Love it.
遠いし、遠いし、泊まる環境があまりに整備されている。家より寝れる設備が。
あ、じゃあいい。
Try this.
頭のところは出して枕がついてる。で、足のところに2つで足が寝れるから。
Oh!
オーバースペックだから。
モデル選択してるやん。
I love red meat.
これでも今、
あんこ。
Is it good? Mount Fuji. Hey, this is so pretty. Mount Fuji and then the reflection.
That is gorgeous.
So pretty.
Wrap it for you're the rabbit.
End of the street is a huge Asakusa temple. $35. So it says Regular fortune.
Vraiment, on doit attacher. Quand c'est pas la chance.
Yeah, it's okay. No, don't do that.